Hi students, we will learn question 3 of exercise 6.2. Question 3 is in figure 6.30. This is figure 6.30. If AB is parallel to CD, these two lines are given to be parallel. EF is perpendicular on CD. This is EF and this is perpendicular on this line CD. It means this angle is of 90 degree and this complete angle is of 90 degree. And angle GED is 126 degree. Where is angle GED? GED. It means this complete angle is 126 degree. It is given. Now, find angle AGE. Where is angle AGE? AGE. This angle. This we have to find. Angle GEF. GEF. It means only this part. Only this part. And FGE. FGE. This part. So we have to find three angles. First this, then this and this small angle. Now, first of all, how will we proceed? Solution is, first we will write given. Given is AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD and EF is perpendicular on CD. Okay, it means if EF is perpendicular on CD, then you can write angle FED. Angle FED. This is 90 degree. And angle GED. It is given to be 126 degree. Now, we have to find angle AGE. AGE. Now see very carefully. These two lines are parallel. AB and CD are parallel. It is given. And this GE is a transversal line. If I am... Okay. Now this is a transversal line and these two lines are parallel. Now this angle AGE, this angle and this complete angle, these are alternate interior angle. See here I am drawing AB, CD and this GE. This is a transversal line. So you will observe that this angle and this angle, these are alternate interior angle. And now this is angle A, G and E. Okay, this is. And this complete angle is given to be 126 degree. So we can write angle AGE is equal to angle GED. Angle GED, this angle is equal to angle AGE, this. Why? Because vertically opposite angles. Now, so it implies angle AGE is equal to 126 degree. This is first part. Now, come to second angle. Second angle that we have to find is angle GEF. Where is angle GEF? GEF. Now see very carefully, GEF, this small angle and this complete 126 degree is made up of two angles. This complete angle is made up of two angles. First is this smaller one and second is this 90 degree. So we can write here that angle GED, this complete angle is equal to GEF, this small angle, plus angle FED. Okay, this complete angle is made up of this plus this. Now GED is given to be 126 degree. Right here 126 degree is equal to GEF plus FED. What is angle FED? FED, it is given to be 90 degree because EF is perpendicular on CD. So angle GEF will be equal to 126 degree minus 90 degree, and that will be equal to 36 degree. So the value of angle GEF is 36 degree. The value of angle AGE is 126 degree. Now the last angle that we have to find is angle FGE. Where is angle FGE? F, G and E. This angle. Now see, you can find this angle as, see, this complete angle is making a linear pair. These two angles are making a linear pair. So you can write angle AGE, this part, angle AGE, this part, plus angle EGF or FGE, angle FGE. This is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because linear pair. Okay. This angle plus this angle is equal to 126 degree. Now what is angle AGE? AGE is 126 degree plus angle FGE. It is equal to 180 degree. Now you can find the value of FGE. So FGE is equal to 180 degree minus 126 degree, and that will be 54 degree. So the values are, angle AGE was 126 degree. So the answer is first AGE. AGE is 126 degree. GEF, that is 36 degree, and angle FGE, that is 54 degree. This is our solution.